Hello dear friend, welcome to Olympiadia channel. Today we are going to teach about how to rationalizing denominator. So we have an strange fraction and we want to just rational denominator. Let's talk about this subject. The question said, make the denominator of this fraction rational. So we have 3 plus 2 radical 2 over 3 minus 2 radical 2. This is a fraction. Whole of these things are one fraction. The fraction has numerator and denominator. All the thing placed above the fraction bar is numerator, and all the thing placed under the fraction bar named denominator. So the main goal is denominator. To rational denominator, we should use some theorem. The theorem here is based on the style of denominator. So here we have the style of subtraction of two number, which one of them is as irrational number. So we need to square the irrational number to get a rational number. So we need to just some method to only get the square term of this number. So only theorem we can lead to the square term of this number is using different square. So different square theorem said that if we have two which both of them is as square term like a squared and b squared, and they are going to different from each other, the result can be write as a squared minus b squared is equal to multiplying of two terms. One of them is as summation of two number and one of them is as subtraction of two number. And the number is only without any power or square root. So here in the denominator we have difference of two number like a minus b, and we just going to a squared and b squared. How to going to a squared minus b squared? We need to just multiply the a minus b by the term of a plus b to get a squared minus b squared. So denominator is as the form of a minus b, which is 3 minus 2 radical 2. And we just need to multiply it by the term of 3 plus 2 radical 2 to square both terms and get the rational numbers. So we do such that set. The whole fraction is going to multiply by 3 plus 2 radical 2. To keep whole fraction constant, we need also multiply numerator term by 3 plus 2 radical 2 to get the whole fraction constant. So the result is also a fraction with denominator of 3 squared minus 2 radical 2 squared, as what's said in different squares theorem. And the denominator has the 3 plus 2 squared 2 multiplying by itself. So as binomial square, we have 3 squared plus 2 radical 2 squared plus twice of multiplying first and second term. So 2 cross 3 cross 2 radical 2, which can be simplified as In the denominator, we have 9 minus 8, and on the above fraction, we have 9 plus 8, which is 2 radical 2 squared, and plus 12 radical 2, which is 2 times 3 times 2 radical 2. And it can be simplified as this: 17 plus 12 radical 2 over 1. So all number divided by 1 can be get the number itself. So the final result is 17 plus 12 radical 2. So the fraction of 3 plus 2 radical 2 over 3 minus 2 radical 2 can be rationalized as 17 plus 12 radical 2. Okay, the rationalizing denominator have the benefit as simplified the operation of fraction, and it would be the standard form of fraction. So we prefer to rationalize our denominator. Okay, I hope you all, my friend, enjoyed this video, and until the next video, stay tuned and goodbye.